Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G60S, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and now we have to pick photos category. Here at the last place we have watermark option, so let's tap to it, and now we can see watermark settings. Let me focus on the second option, device watermark. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need, and when it's turned on we can see it also here in short preview. We can slide to the right to see it closer, so we have Motorola's watermark shot on Moto G60S. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.